Hi Garrett, this is Peyton with Minimal Design and SEO. So here's the website that I kind of got mocked up for you so far. It is simple and easy to navigate. I did get your content off of Facebook. I hope that is okay. All of these little drop downs here, I did just kind of plug these the hours in. Everything is changeable, or we can add to it, whatever. So here, I'll just scroll down a little bit so you can see what we've got going on. So a little bit about my business. We design websites, yes, and we want them to look pretty and great and all that, but we also want you to be seen. The whole point of having a website is for it to be seen by others. So how we do that is we utilize Google My Business, and that is a paid service. You do have to pay for it, but it is totally worth it. I mean, think about how many times that you go into Google and you type in whatever service that you're needing, and the first three that come up, you're going to go with one of them. So that's where we want you. We want you at the top, and we want you to be getting those clients and not your competitors. How we do that is after we set you up a GMB, we will go into all the content on your page, and we will make sure that it's cited and backlinked to the right places so that it's picked up by Google and by other places so that your business is then boosted and put to the top as well. So I went into Google and I typed in dryer vent cleaning to see who would come up, and prime carpet and air duct cleaning came up first. So I went to a website called White Spark that we use. You can totally use it yourself. I pay for it monthly, but it's worth it because you can go in here and put the business name in, and it'll bring up all the citations that they're using currently in their business is being found on, and that which is part of the reason why they're ranked so high on Google. So any of these 50 and higher, they're listed on them, and that's what you want to look at. And so what we would do is make sure that your business is put into every single one of these links as well. And so you're found on there and you're boosted to the top. Now on the backlinks, I'll show you where the backlinks are on Google. Most people don't even scroll down this far on Google to see backlinks, but it's all this organic section down here. And so that would be just like any of the pictures on your page, if we posted a video, anything, I could make sure that it's backlinked so that if they did happen to come up here, type in dryer vent cleaning, didn't like anything up here, if y'all were listed up here, and then kept scrolling down to go to the next page, boom, y'all are going to be down here again. So then they see you and they're like, okay, well, they're all down here, they're up there, so let me check them out and see what they got going on. And most of the time they're going to give you their money. So that's kind of the gist of what we do. I don't want to go into too much depth and detail because I don't want to bore you. But here I'll go through the website again so you can kind of get a good look at it. Like I said, anything on here is changeable colors. I'm a Vandal, so I went with red, but we can always change that out. But yeah, so here is all of this, and I will send all of the rest of the information that you asked for in the email. And thank you so much, Garrett.